Step 1, go camping. Step 2, realize I have no idea what I'm doing. We are here at the West Fork Trail in the mountains of Azusa, California. Today I'm going camping for the very first time ever, but first we gotta hike 5 miles to the site. I'm not what you call an outdoorsy type, so this should be pretty much awful. Let's do this. In the middle of nowhere, there's no cell service. Anything could happen to us, nobody would know. Kind of scary. So many flies. What kind of devil hike is this? It's just flies everywhere. Ah! So many freaking bugs. Where's the bug spray? All right. So this is the stream that they said we'd be able to drink from today. All dried up.
I hear water.
Fill up our bottles. Using the leaf as a funnel for the water here. Try and get it in there. This is working pretty well, actually. This doesn't look good to drink. How are we purifying it?
We're using a SteriPen. The UV light takes all of the bacteria and all the stuff that can harm us, purifies it.
That happy, the smiley face means it's done. Cheers. Tastes okay.
You can see all the stuff floating in it.
What? I needed that water. There's a rattlesnake. And we're about to walk by it. We're here. All right, we've made it to the campsite. We're here with my good friends and expert campers and hikers and outdoorsy people, Bama and the Yank.
That's your tent.
This is tiny.
Yeah.
Can't even get it open.
I never pitch another man's tent. He's got to pitch his own tent. It's looking good.
Does anybody have a hammer?
There you go.
Welcome to my humble abode for the night.
The sun's going down. You need to collect some firewood.
It's a good start. We didn't bring a lighter?
No, because you said you were going to try it this way.
Yeah, well, all right. Ugh.
This is never going to work.
Hey guys, thanks for watching That's a First. Tell us what you thought in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Cyberdust at +thatsafirst and me at +adamrose. Click here to check out some more episodes of That's a First. It's crazy.